with section 153C. 6 assessments they have done. Using the material found in the search and issuing a notice under section 148, passing an order under section 143.3 read with section 153C. And this litigation was just taken very nominally by the Commissioner Appeals as to the weightage of evidence, as to the facts of the case. Then we were forced to litigate in the tribunal. Tribunal quashed all 6 assessments, saying that no proper procedure of law is followed. Therefore, we are quashing them. Pursuant to that, in the process of pursuing the first appeal and the second appeal, the taxpayer was forced to pay at least 50% and settle down at 25% as a part payment to obtain a stay. Then that amount has to be refunded because the assessment itself is quashed. For that, department took around 6 months. Then yesterday when he brought the refund order, the calculation very clearly shows that 234A, 234B, 234C and all that, total tax and interest payable and taxes paid by the SSC and now refund due. Then there is no interest payable on the refund. Curiously, I have asked, I have called that particular inspector and asked him, why there is no interest paid? Sir, system will not accept. You have calculated 234B and 234C automatically. And you say when it comes to the amount payable to the SSC, you say that the system will not accept. Who made the system? System is made by the topmost authority of the taxation. So you don't care what an SSC is entitled and what an SSC, how SSC is to be treated. The intention behind telling this is that the dispute comes when basically some rights existing are disrupted or not respected. Therefore it comes. Who is creating more litigation? That is another fact. Now the government is asking us to come and settle disputes. So in the process, actually speaking, that income tax has elaborate provisions about pay tax, levy tax and all that. But at any point of time, can we see that do this for the SSC? Even bare minimum provisions in favor of the SSC is also not respected by the department. Whatever may be the selection of scrutiny. Selection of scrutiny is to be with the human judgment. They leave it to the computer. Computer matches something with something and your case is selected under caste. Then the limited or unlimited, whatever it is, annual information report. Some PAN numbers there is mismatch. Some people who are not involved in the transactions are getting the notices. So in that process, what is happening is that instead of tax-friendly implementation of the act, we are going into thrown into the litigation, compulsory litigation. So actually what I thought is that we have to combine that. First of all, dispute comes when our rights as a taxpayer are infringed. What are the rights we have actually